Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to silence your Android phone quickly and easily. This simple tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid distractions during meetings, classes, or quiet moments. Open the Settings menu. The Settings app is your central hub for managing all essential options, including security, display, network, and sound settings. Once inside, scroll down and tap on Sounds and Vibrations, or a similar option depending on your Android device. This menu controls all volume, ringtone, and vibration settings on your phone. Next, locate the mute option in the top menu bar. Tap it to immediately silence your phone. That's it. Your Android device will no longer ring or vibrate for incoming calls and notifications, giving you peace and quiet whenever you need it. This method is straightforward and doesn't require any third-party apps, making it safe and reliable. Following these steps ensures that you can control your phone's sound easily without missing important notifications when you want them. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.